What is a woman? A biological woman is not merely the sum of her parts breasts, hips, hair, makeup, or soft voice. While these features may express femininity, they do not define it. A woman's existence is a multi layered sacred phenomenon, a divine choreography of body, mind, soul, and energy. She is not constructed, she is formed. She does not perform womanhood, she embodies it. Let's unfold the essence of the biological woman across several key dimensions. Ushers. 1. Molecularly and biologically, from her DNA to her hormones, a biological woman carries the blueprint of femininity within every cell. Two X chromosomes govern not just reproductive features, but also affect immune function, brain development, and susceptibility to disease differently than in biological males. Her body undergoes sacred cycles: menstruation, pregnancy, birth, lactation, and menopause, each encoded with meaning and wisdom. The womb, whether fertile or not, is more than a reproductive organ. It is an energetic center, often referred to in ancient traditions as the seat of creation. It's where life begins. Her biology holds memory, intuition, cycles tied to the moon, and an inner knowing that science still struggles to measure. 2. Psychologically and emotionally. Psychologically, women often embody a deep well of empathy, intuition, and emotional intelligence. While both sexes can feel deeply, a biological woman's brain, wired differently in the corpus callosum, amygdala, and mirror neuron system, often allows her to sense, mirror, and nurture more acutely. Her inner world is not chaotic, it is complex, like layered poetry written in invisible ink. This emotional richness gives her the ability to connect, care, and carry others in ways that are not taught, but felt. From a young age, she begins processing the world relationally, navigating identity, body changes, safety, self worth, and societal pressure with a mental resilience many underestimate. 3. Spiritually and energetically. Spiritually, the biological woman reflects aspects of the divine that are nurturing, fertile, wise, and protective. In many traditions, she is the gateway between the seen and unseen. She brings life into the world not just through childbirth, but through ideas, healing, food, art, and love. Her intuition, often called a sixth sense, is a spiritual gift deeply tied to the rhythms of nature and the spirit world. Energetically, she carries what some esoteric traditions call Shakti, yin, or divine feminine energy. This is not weak or passive. It is expansive, receptive, and magnetic. It draws in, softens, warms, and transforms. She is the alchemical vessel where growth happens. In ancient African, Eastern, and indigenous traditions, woman is not only life giver, she is life itself. Not an accessory to man, but the balance and completion of him. At 4. Mentally and archetypically. The biological woman carries archetypes within her: the mother, the maiden, the crone, the warrior, the lover, the wise woman. These are not roles she picks up, they emerge within her throughout life stages. Her body and mind are in constant communication, evolving not just through intellect, but inner knowing. She adapts, protects, creates, and reflects. Her mental landscape is not something that can be mimicked through outward behavior. The inner trials of becoming a woman are not costume changes. They are earned through lived experiences, through menstruation, violation, childbirth, breast development, hormonal shifts, and societal pressure on her worth and beauty. 5. Culturally and historically. Across cultures and centuries, women have been keepers of tradition, healers, midwives, and spiritual leaders. Even when silenced, she has sung. Even when broken, she has built. Even when hidden, she has held it all together. To reduce the feminine experience to wigs, makeup, or surgeries is to flatten her into performance. It erases the stories in her stretch marks, the wisdom in her womb, and the power of her presence. 6. The reflection of God. In the divine blueprint of life, woman was not made to compete with man, but to complete the cosmic picture. If man is the builder, woman is the soil. If he is the seed, she is the garden. Her existence mirrors the nurturing, restorative, and mysterious qualities of God. In her, we see the comforter, the healer, the life giver, the wise counselor. The beauty of the biological woman lies in the fact that her worth is not visible to the naked eye. It's in how she feels, how she endures, how she sees through people, how she holds space, how she creates safety. She is not imitation. She is initiation. Closing reflection. To be a biological woman is to hold a divine complexity that cannot be duplicated, surgically installed, or externally mimicked. It is a lived, layered, sacred journey. This reflection is not about exclusion, but acknowledgement, acknowledging that some things are sacred not because others are unworthy, but because they are unreplicable. The essence of a biological woman cannot be constructed, it must be carried. And to carry such essence is an honor born, not chosen. A woman is not simply real because she exists, she is real because she remembers the divine blueprint she was made